Hello, everyone. I'm Rusty Dunn with Caterpillar's Chief Financial Officer, Andrew Bonfield. Andrew, another quarter under our belt, and this time talking about first quarter for 2019. Solid numbers, positive results.
Yes, again, another very good set of numbers. Sales and revenues were up $600 million to $13.5 billion. That's up 5%, reflecting growth in resource industries, mostly around mining and heavy construction equipment sales and service sales, and in construction industries, mostly higher North American road construction. Offset in part by flat sales in energy and transportation, where we did see some softness in North American oil and gas sales.
So that covers sales and revenues. What are we saying about profit per share?
Yes, this is our record first quarter profit per share number, $3.25 compared to $2.74 last year. It includes a 31-cent discrete tax benefit, which occurred as a result of some U.S. tax reform items. But reflects effectively very much the higher volumes offset by some increases in manufacturing costs, which we expected tariff-related, particularly in Q1 and Q2 this year.
Something we always talk about every quarter, Andrew, is cash deployment. What are we saying this quarter?
Again, another strong cash performance. We ended the quarter with a $7.1 billion cash balance. We've returned $1.2 billion back to shareholders through a mix of share buybacks of about $751 million and around $500 million of dividends.
And with one quarter finished for the year, are we saying anything about outlook this time?
Outlook's been amended to reflect that 31 cents tax discrete benefit for the quarter. So it goes up from $11.75 to $12.75 to $12.06 to $13.06 for the full year. Overall, we remain very confident on the fundamentals of our diverse end markets.
And as people read through this quarter's results, Andrew, what would your key messages be there and some thoughts around the quarter itself?
Yeah, another good start to the year. Obviously, we've got a long way to go, another 9 months left in the year, but we've got to focus to make sure we deliver on our commitments. A lot of work to be done, as is always the case.
Well, Andrew, every quarter, as we always like to do, go beyond the numbers a little bit to meet some people and some Caterpillar operations that you might not normally run across. And this time you went to Arizona, south of Tucson, Arizona, to the Tinaja Hills Learning and Demonstration Center and the Proving Ground there. What were you up to?
It was a great day. I was actually out driving around on some autonomous vehicles, actually also operating an autonomous dozer. Fantastic day, great people, and a great visit, actually.
And we had a lot of cameras around you, so let's watch and see what happened.
Welcome to Tinaja Demonstration and Learning Center and the Tucson Proving Ground. Today we're talking about some of the really big stuff that Caterpillar builds, Caterpillar's global mining equipment. And we're starting this morning talking about command for hauling, and I'm here with Corey Smith. Corey, can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, thanks. Licensed professional mine engineer and 6 years in autonomous haulage operations on customer sites. I'd like to show you what we have in store today.
Okay, sounds good.
To begin our MineStar demonstration, we will focus on CAT command for hauling.
So first of all, Corey, can you tell me what we're looking at now?
We have automated the haulage cycle, and by doing that, we're taking the population of the trucks on the mine site down and lowering costs for the customers. Probably the most rewarding part of the job is being able to put together mine plans that are really designed for the future. It's going to unlock so much more value. It's adding life to mines that would otherwise close. It's providing for them cost support that would allow them to weather any economic storms that may come on their commodity prices. That's very satisfying as a miner.
Fantastic technology, and it really is something that as a company we should be really, really proud of. Looking outside, there's some very interesting looking equipment out there which I'd love to go and have a look at. One of the largest pieces of equipment we have out here, which is the 7495 rope shovel. Wow, this is absolutely huge. So this is the command center. This is where it all happens, and actually they can control most of the mine site from this chair here. This really is very impressive. We're now headed over to the Tucson Proving Ground to look at the command for dozing area. I'm now here with Dan Toborowski. Dan, please can you tell me what you do?
Absolutely. I'm the team lead validation here for Command for Dozing program. This is Chad Hansen. He's our command expert operator.
Chad.
And we focus on testing and development of the Command for Dozing system. I'd like you to actually get in the seat and Chad will walk you through how to run this dozer.
Your implement controls are up here. Left hand is steering, just like in a dozer. Right fingertips will take the tractor right. Left fingertips will take the tractor left.
Okay, slow it down, and then you can move that.
Going a little bit down.
Yeah.
Now you're pushing dirt.
we're using this on a surface mine at the moment. Where do people see this going?
Underground hauling or underground muckers, we can pull those operators topside so they're not having to put themselves in that harm's way of being in the underground environment.
Thank you very much. Really
Yes, sir.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thanks, Chad. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay, so I'm here with Josh Adams. Josh, what are we about to do?
We are going to run an autonomous loop around Site 17 here on our 789D truck.
Sounds like a lot of fun.
So now we're going to go into auto.
Yeah.
Our light went to solid blue.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the park brake off here in case we needed to take control of the truck. The blue lanes are what we have permission for.
Yeah.
You'll notice that the truck does drive pretty fast. We do a lot of development on how the truck drives, how it handles, how it behaves. When this thing goes autonomous, we want it to run safe and efficient, no issues, make them happy, make sure they make more money with us than anybody else.
Yeah.
This is really, where the software and all the components come together and meet the iron.
I'm with Sarah Loomis. Sarah, perhaps you can tell us what you do.
Yeah, I'm the Americas AHS Operations Manager, so I have full responsibility for all of our autonomous sites in North and South America.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
I've just had the amazing experience of riding on one of our autonomous vehicles. You are working with them every day. What does it mean for the mine itself and the people on the mine?
Yeah, for the end user, though, when I see those flashing blue lights, it's around safety and productivity. Those trucks are doing exactly what we want them to do in a safe and efficient manner. It's helping that customer's bottom line, and it's also keeping people safe out of harm's way.
It's amazing technology. I mean, we all talk about autonomous vehicles. It must be amazing for you, as you say, every day coming up and you can actually see Cat machines in action.
Absolutely.
In that way. And you know that they're not manned. I mean, this is just the amazing part. The sophisticated technology combined with the sheer size of some of this equipment is truly impressive. It has been a great visit here with the Cat mining team here in Tucson.
Well, Andrew, the mining shovel on its own is impressive enough, but it's not something you get to do every day, riding in one of the giant mining trucks, and it's being run autonomously.
Yeah, no, that was a fantastic experience. One of those things which I'll remember for the rest of my life, driving around in a 200-ton truck that's been driven by itself, hands off the steering wheel. It was amazing. And really great to see how customers can benefit from that, and actually to see good R&D investment actually in action and working to prove itself in an interesting technological way.
One of my favorite facilities in all of Caterpillar down at Tinaja. We thank the staff and crew at the Learning and Demonstration Center as well as the Proving Ground as well. So excellent.
It was a great day. Thank you very much to them all.
Andrew, thanks for being here as always, and thanks to all of our employees around the world taking a few minutes to watch. We really do appreciate it. In the meantime, we'll see you next quarter. Be safe in all that you do. Have a great day.